welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to model the Predator logo as shown in our video. So let's go ahead to show you how to create a better topology and making good easy flow step-by-step tutorial. Let's continue modeling this section over there. So left click to select that vertex, then shift it to duplicate it, move it over there at that corner, so extrude it again until these two vertices are merged together. But using the mirror modifier is going to be making that clipping. Move it just a little bit down, extrude it and extrude it again, undo it, and so on until you extrude it and you try to match all those curvatures as shown in our video. So let's explain what are principles to make better topology in order to avoid creating a dense or highly dense mesh. So let's see how to create it step by step. Click on that vertex over there, then hold on Ctrl, click on the last one on this shortest path. Or you can call it whatever you want. Just I'm gonna be hitting F to fill it, and you can see over there what buttons I'm pressing. I've just already enabled the screencast keys to show you what buttons I'm pressing. Hit I key is going to be creating this inset. Just do it like that. Then let's see how to create and sketch that kind of topology, because it does really matter. Topology, it's so hard to create it. Let's explain using the annotate tool. Just I'm gonna be trying to make just at least the enough number of those vertices just to have some edges going through the section, going that way. Also another edge that going that way, and should meet these two vertices over there. And I think this topology will be better and good enough. But as you can see over there, for these two vertices we have a bad position, because we should use the loop tools add-on in order to get rid of that quickly. Then just go over there, then I'm gonna be using eraser to erase all those sketchy lines. Go over there, click and hold, right click mouse button and move your mouse in order to try this select box. If you go over these two vertices right there, in this case we shouldn't leave them at that place. Then just hit it twice to slide it like this to make even and same distance between this corner and this corner over there. Just I'm gonna be moving to the bottom, but this section over there is gonna be matching that curvature, and we shouldn't move it all the way through this section over there. Control or let's add another loop cut just like this. Let's see what we should do. In this case I think I should use a knife tool. Select these two vertices as shown in our video. Just slide it just a little bit over there. Just I'm gonna be setting the same distance between those vertices all the way down. Hold down Ctrl, click to select all those vertices. Hold down Shift, click that vertex and hold down Shift and Ctrl and right click to select that vertex. Hold down Shift to unselect or to deselect all those vertices. In this case, let's see what we have over there. Just I'm gonna be setting the same distance. Just like this, click using the loop tools add-on, go over space. And let's see, Ctrl Z, I think we should set a distance. Between those vertices, just those vertices. Select like this and go over the tools, then space. And set same distance as shown in our video. I think it's good, just like this, and hit it twice to move it just like this, and to set, hold down shift to move it slowly as shown in our video. Switch to face select mode, select the dot face. Let's delete it. At X, delete faces. Hit G to move that vertex until those two vertices are merged. G again and move it just a tiny bit until they are merged, like you see here in the video. Select that vertex, hold down shift, select all those vertices all the way down until we get to this vertex over there. Hit E to extrude it and hit X. Let's hit X to extrude it all the way through this section until they are merged at the center of symmetry. So let's see what we should do in this case. This topology is quad-based topology and it's better and clean. So Ctrl R. Let's add another loop cut at center. Select these 4 vertices over there and fill up that gap. Select those vertices and hit F to fill that gap. The width for this part at the bottom. But here we have another problem. We have angle. In this case, Ctrl R, let's add another loop cut all the way up. Then let's set the same distance for those vertices. Left click, right click, then go over space. Let's see what we have here. Let's see, set the same distance as shown in this video, space, then the width again for all those vertices all the way down. Select those 4 vertices. To get rid of that angle, you have to fill it and to fill this gap as well. You have to fill. When you apply the subdivision surface modifier, you can see some weird issues and artifacts at the center of the symmetry for this section over there. So let's get rid of that. Select all those vertices. I'm gonna be using the C. Scroll up just a little bit to get that bigger or smaller circle. Select all those vertices. Right click to disable it, then hit X to delete those vertices. Let's enable disable subdivision surface modifier. Select that vertex and hold down Ctrl, select the last one and extrude it, hit X, extrude it and move it until they are merged at the center of this axis. As you can see here, when applying subdivision surface modifier, you get these results and no weird issues. And as you can see here, let's see if we have any topology issues I think using this reflective matcap you can see that this topology is good. And that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.